Yes, learners, as you can see on your screen, I'll continue with chapter number 3, students. Now, students, in this part of the chapter, I will do explain you the topic geometric mean. Now, suppose we are studying a variable that changes over time, v. If we want to find average rate change in the variable, the application of arithmetic mean is not appropriate. Yes, if the variable changes with the passage of time, then in such case, if we want to find out the average rate of change, then arithmetic mean is not the proper one. Now let us understand this with the help of example. Considering an item with a price of rupees 200, if the price increases after 1 month by 50% and by 25% in the next month, the prices in the successive months will be 200 into 150 divided by 100 equals to 300, and 300 into 125 divided by 100 equals to 375 rupees respectively. अब ये calculations यहाँ पे कैसे आए उसके लिए नीचे आप लोगों को नोट दिया गया है. If the given variable increases by p percentage, over here as per the example 50%, then increased percentage value is written as 100 plus p. It means it will be 100 plus 50. जो हमने इधर किया 100 plus 50 is 150 और यहाँ पे 100 plus 25. It means 125. Whereas if the value has decreased by p%, then decreased percentage value is written as 100 minus p. Now over here the example for decreased is given to you. For example, if the price decreases 20% in a certain month, the percentage price of next month is taken as 100 minus 20 equals to 80. I hope I am clear with you students. With the calculations, ये 150 और ये 125 कैसे आया. Now I continue with the example. Now if we find the average of percentage prices of 2 months using arithmetic mean, अगर हमने arithmetic mean calculate किया, then it will be 150 plus 125 divided by 2, which is 137.5. Now if we take this average for finding the price of that items 2 months later, it will be, अब 2 महीने के बाद अगर हम देखेंगे तो it will be 200 जो हमारा ओरिजिनल प्राइस था, तो हम 137.5 लेंगे जो हमारा अरिथमेटिक मीन हमने कैलकुलेट किया डिवाइड बाय 100 इनटू, अगेन सेम थिंग 2 महीने का है इसीलिए 137.5 डिवाइड बाय 100 इक्वल्स टू 378.18 rupees, which is not 375 as calculated above, but actually it should be 375. proper one ये है. Another average called geometric mean is more appropriate over here. Yes, over here geometric mean is said to be more proper one. Now geometric mean का यहाँ पे आप लोगों को डिटेल में बताया गया है. A geometric mean is defined as nth root of the product of n positive observations and it is denoted by g. Yes, as mean is denoted by x bar, over here geometric mean is denoted by capital G. nth root लिया जाता है किसका? Product of n positive observations का. Now over here it is given to you in a proper manner. Thus for n observations x1, x2 till xn, g will be, yes, स्क्वायर रूट में मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ है जितने भी हमारे ऑब्जर्वेशंस होते हैं, जितने नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस रूट के अंदर होते हैं उतना n में नंबर दिया हुआ होता है. Yes, over here the example is given to you. Let us find the geometric mean in the above example. The two numbers are 150 and 125, which show the percentage prices will have g equals to 150 into 125 equals to 136.93. Yes, over here हम लोगों ने जो निकाला है that is of increased one. Now applying this average, the price of 2 months है, अब 2 महीने का यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट किया है वापस से. it will be 200 into 136.93 divide by 100 into 136.93 divide by 100 is 375, which is same as the value calculated earlier. Yes, 375 ये हमने calculate किया, which is same as we calculated, yes, above. With the help of pointer, it's clear to you people. Now note, this is Bella note. I already explained you. Now we move on to the next one. For the given observations x1, x2 till xn, arithmetic mean is always equal or more than the geometric mean. Yes, over here denotation form में आप लोगों को दिया हुआ, which says that arithmetic mean is always equal to or more than the geometric mean. Now over here x bar equals to g. Mean will be equivalent to geometric mean only if all the observations have same value. Yes, if all the observations are having same value, then in such case arithmetic mean and geometric mean will be same. Now students, we move on to the sums related to geometric mean. Over here the formula is given to you people. The very first example is of two numbers, that is 4 and 9. ये स्क्वायर रूट में हम दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 36 आएगा, 4 into 9 is 36. 36 का yes स्क्वायर रूट will be 6. अब next geometric mean of three numbers 1, 4 and 128. yes 3 numbers. again हम यहाँ पे 3 numbers हैं, तो इधर भी हम n की जगह पे हम 3 लिखेंगे. yes रूट बना हुआ होगा. फिर 5 1 2 आपको 8 जो है वो यहाँ पे खुद ही कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. ओवर हियर यहाँ पे 36 जो है पहले एग्जाम्पल में आप अगर एक बार अपने कैलकुलेटर में जो स्क्वायर रूट है उसका बटन दबाएंगे, यू विल गेट इट 6. बट ओवर हियर यू शुड नो इट प्रॉपरली. यहाँ दूसरा वे है इसको ब्रेकअप करने का. yes 2 into 2 is 4. in the same way you need to break up this, then you will be able to get your final answer, that is 8. Now students, moving on to my next question related to it. Now this kind of increase we have already done in the theory part right now, but still over here the population of an area increased by 15, 18, 13, 20. yes ये सब percentages हैं, 15%, 18%, 13%, 20% respectively for 4 years. over here find the average increase in the population. yes over here आप लोगों को बोला गया average increase in the population means indirectly they are asking you to find out geometric mean. Since the values of increase in population are given in percentages, we will use geometric mean for the average value. Considering the percentage increase in the population, we will get the observations. yes पहले हम proper observations निकालेंगे. 100 में plus 15 equals to 115. ये हमारा पहला रहेगा. second one will be 100 plus 18 equals to 118. third one is 100 plus 13 equals to 113, whereas the fourth one will be 100 plus 20 equals to 120. yes we'll write the formula x1 x2 x3 x4 सब मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, रूट बनेगा 4 आएगा n की जगह पे. सब हम सारे जो हमारे x1 x2 x3 x4 है वो लिखेंगे जो भी अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किए. 115 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 118 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 113 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 120. yes you will get 184009200 मल्टीप्लाई करने पे एक बार रूट का बटन दबाएंगे, you will get 13564.991. फिर एक बार वापस से दबाएंगे, you will get 116.4689. so over here we can also write it as 116.47. thus the average rate of growth in population over these 4 years is 16.47 percentage. students percentage word दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, symbol of percentage. now over here a note is given to find the fourth root in this example. the square root of 184009200 is taken and its square root is taken again. yes similarly to find the eighth root of the number, the process of taking square root should be repeated 3 times. Now students, I move on to my next example. The geometric mean of two numbers is 2. yes यहाँ पे आप लोगों को numbers बताए गए हैं, 2 numbers हैं. it means over here x1 and x2 2 numbers हैं. geometric mean आप लोगों को 2 दिया हुआ है. पहली लाइन से हमें इतना समझ में आ रहा है. Now if one number is 4 times the other number, find the numbers. Now suppose the smaller one को हमने assume किया x1, which is a, then the larger number which is 4 times this number will be x2 equals to 4a. Yes, over here it is 4 times, so obviously it will be 4a. G equals to 2 already given in the question. Yes, we will put all the details in the formula. पहले हम formula लिखेंगे. G equals to square root x1 into x2. Therefore 2 equals to a into 4a. 4a square, yes we all know 4a square कैसे आया है. फिर उसके बाद 4 का 2 हो जाएगा स्क्वायर रूट के हिसाब से. देन इट विल बी a square will be a, so 2a equals to 2a. a का वैल्यू इट विल बी 1. हाउ? a equals to 2 by 2 हम करेंगे, so a you will get 1. Thus we get the first number x1 equals to a. अगर x1 a जो हमने assume किया था वो अगर 1 है, then the second number x2 equals to 4a is 4. Now students, I move on to my next question, which again we saw in the theory part. Over here उसको यहाँ पे prove किया गया है. Find the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two numbers 9 and 14 and verify that mean is greater than geometric mean. अरिथमेटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर देन ज्योमेट्रिक मीन हमें प्रूव करना है. दो नंबर्स हम लोगों को यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, पहला 9 है, दूसरा 16 है. सो ओवर हियर सपोज x1 इज 9, x2 इज 16, n इज 2. यस वी ऑल नो फॉर्मूला ऑफ अरिथमेटिक मीन x बार इक्वल्स टू सिग्मा x अपॉन n. प्लस करेंगे हम अपने दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशंस को. इट विल बी 9 प्लस 16 विल गेट 25. डिवाइड करेंगे हम 2 से इक्वल्स टू 12.5. ज्योमेट्रिक मीन सेम वे, यस यू ऑल नो. पहला स्टेप हमेशा फॉर्मूला लिखने का. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 9 इंटू 16, उसका हमने स्क्वायर रूट निकाला मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद. सो आई विल गेट फाइनली 12. सो वी ऑल नो 12.5 इज ग्रेटर देन 12. सो यस x बार इज 12.5, g is 12. We got what we wanted to prove. So students, I hope I am clear to you by this topic. Now we move on to the advantages and disadvantages of geometric mean. Advantages में सबसे पहले आती है, it is rigidly defined. Yes, it is rigidly defined. इसका definition short, proper, perfect जाता है. It is based on all the observations. Yes, यहाँ पे कोई भी observation छोड़ा नहीं जाता है. It is suitable for algebraic calculations. Yes, for further algebraic calculations it is appropriate. It is comparatively less affected by too large or too small values. Values अगर बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी हो या बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी हो तो असर इतना नहीं आता है, less affected. Next is disadvantages. It can be found only if all the observations have positive values. Yes, positive values are must over here. It is difficult to calculate. हाँ, अगर जैसे मैंने 3 वाला है तो बिना कैलकुलेटर के it becomes a bit difficult to calculate. And yes, over here the next one is its calculation becomes difficult if the number of observations is large. अगर observations बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े होते हैं तो उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना फिर उसका रूट निकालना becomes a difficult job. Now students, I hope I am clear to you with all my topics. I'll continue with the same chapter in my next class also. Thank you students.